This exercise, love and it's like a little bit major and minor in music. Major, you go into this world of light and everything, and this minor, you return to yourself and you feel more the wrestling aspect of your existence. Yeah. So, and in eurythmy, so we have a polarity, and one could think that's it. But in eurythmy, or not in eurythmy, but the thing is, all the time when you stay with yourself, the healing of the healing contradiction comes into existence all the time. We did it when streaming up, it was streaming down. So let's go into this love gesture and look for this, where's the healing, what's going to happen additionally when I stay with myself, despite of I stream into the world with all my love and all my forces. Take your hands to the front. And then just with the forces of your heart, broaden out your hands, embrace the world. And use what you have in the body and your fantasy, the body fantasy and what you feel in your arms to create this stream here, everywhere, yeah, bringing you forward. Yeah? You use your body, but it streams outside of your body and brings you forward. And now you could think, oh, now I'm losing myself and I'm going to fall. So just return to yourself. That's when you engage in what you do completely. And now do the same with the same intensity, but still stay with yourself. And then you will realize that here a sort of space comes into existence, which also opens up and helps you to not fall. But yeah, just try. Open up with the forces of your heart. Stream forward, left and right as much as you can and stay with yourself. Stream, stream, stream. Stream, stream, and feel this realm. Do you notice that something opens here? And then just let go. Don't do anything. Enter the space and say, how nice. May I enter? And then you do the E gesture there. Yeah? Because it's so nice. You don't want to fall it down, let it fall down again. You just say, oh, I bring a little bit of construction wood, and then we just keep it like this. This beautiful space can stay. Yeah? It's just a protection of this beauty of your heart in this realm too. Let's try to discover this space. Stream out. Not stream, it's a raying out, sorry. And now stream forward, stream forward. Stay with yourself, stream, 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 and feel this realm. And then you can stream even more. I'm nearly falling, but I'm not falling, it holds me. And then keep this space, let go, may I enter, and just protect this space from within. Like a beautiful church or anything. So, we have also there this. When we do the E gesture, yeah, because Rudolf Steiner said, make a strong E gesture, make it very strong. And he did not mean that you are there and then whoosh, you push your hands inside and that's strong, because we do not draw in what we gave out. What we gave, we have given. But through giving, we became strong in here. But we do not pull it back. So, how do we create the strong E gesture? And for this, we need the forces of the earth. And the forces of the earth, we only, we only reach through letting go. Because the earth, the surface is hard. We cannot enter the earth by pushing there. We must let go. I have a video, the archetypal R, where I try to explain it. It's accessible for free in the course of on the vowels, basic gesture of the vowels. I just show the principle here. Just put your hands on top of your head and have the feeling that you can use your fingertips to open the ceiling above you, that the stars become visible, the black sky with its stars. And then let all of these stars sink down, left and right of you. Bring them down with your hands and let them flow into the earth. Loosen your ankles, your fingertips, let go. And you actually can let go 2 or even 3 times. And when you then wait on the countercurrents, which comes afterwards, you will notice it comes back within, filling your heart. Like this. Let's try it once again, that we create a stream which comes up from down there and makes us strong, because we have gone towards the forces beneath us. I'm standing a little bit closer now. Open your hands. Let go. Let go. Let go. Wait for the answer. Invite it to come. And notice that it fills your heart. And that your heart even wants to bring this thing forward and wants to go forward with it and bring it. When we do the E gesture, I normally tell you that the E gesture, we do just the E gesture, just start anywhere and cross your hands and bring them strongly together. And it's a border, and in a way the gesture by itself brings you on your heels. And in a way it brings you down and creates a connection down there. And then let go. And now we try to create this E and knowing when I connect with the earth in a good way, in a letting go way, in an accepting way, there will come a current from there, filling my heart, and making my heart big, and making my heart so full that it can't become empty by giving, because the stream up there is endless. So we try now to do the E, which connects us with the earth, and in a way have the imagination of what's going on when I let go and connect with the earth here. And what I want to say is that this energy, makes the E strong. Let this, what's happening from there, flow into the strong gesture of E in your hands. And they can really be strict, they can be tough, but you know it's filled from there. It's from out your innermost being. So now we do the love E gesture, the whole sequence, and only one time, and then you can start putting these things together yourself if you want to. Use the raying, the joy of your hand to ray out. Let your love stream forward. Notice that the more you stream, your heart in the center becomes open. Let go. Enter the space. Connect with the earth and let this energy from down there stream into your heart, into your e-gesture. Realize that this heart wants to come forward again, brings its love. And remember that there's this spread out love too from the first part of the exercise. Don't lose the E, but have it within the energy of love, which brings you in your center again. So you are behind, you are with you, but you are. I am also with you. Sit down, please. Let what we have done unfold, let it go away. Listen to what it does with you.